Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making edible cookie dough. Now, why do I say it like that? Because all cookie dough is edible. If it weren't, we couldn't make it into cookies. I'm just saying, but what the point of this one is that you are meant to eat it in dough form. And this is something that I've seen in lots of different places, and it's really pretty easy to make. So let's get started.
Not too many ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, a third of a cup or 70 grams of sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons cream, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract or 1.5 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1.5 cups or 180 grams of flour, a quarter teaspoon salt, 1 cup or 150 grams of chocolate chips. Cream the butter. Add sugars, vanilla, and salt. Add 3 tablespoons cream, add the flour. Now, if you are concerned about bacteria, you can bake the flour in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. If the dough ends up too dry like mine did, then add an extra tablespoon of cream until the dough comes together in dough form. Fold in chocolate chips. This will keep up to 2 weeks in the fridge wrapped in plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. It also freezes beautifully. This cookie dough is absolutely perfect. I must warn you though, don't try to bake them. They will become a gooey, sticky mess. But if you want to just eat the dough, it's perfect. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.